Boost discipline instantly, no willpower required. A comprehensive guide for modern practitioners in the modern era. Discipline is a cornerstone of success in both personal and professional life. However, the misconception that willpower is the primary driver of discipline persists. The misconception of willpower as the primary driver of discipline. Willpower is a finite resource that depletes throughout the day. Baumeister et al., 2007. Focusing on willpower can lead to feelings of guilt and failure when it's depleted, undermining self-control. Further, Hoffman et al., 2012. Cultivating discipline should focus on creating habits and systems that don't rely on willpower. The power of habits. Creating a disciplined routine. Habit formation is the key to maintaining discipline without relying on willpower. Duig, 2012. To create a habit, repeat an action consistently over time until it becomes automatic. Lally et al., 2010. For example, starting each day with a morning routine can establish a foundation for discipline throughout the rest of the day. The importance of environment. Eliminating temptation and distractions. Our environment significantly influences our behavior. Wood et al., 2010. Removing temptations and distractions from our environment can help maintain discipline without relying on willpower. For instance, placing phones in another room during work hours can prevent interruptions and improve focus. The role of goal setting. Focusing on progress, not perfection. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals can help maintain discipline. Locke Latham, 2006. Focusing on progress rather than perfection can alleviate feelings of stress and burnout. For example, setting a daily writing goal of 500 words can foster consistency without relying on willpower. The value of accountability. Leveraging external motivation. Accountability to others can provide an external motivation to maintain discipline. Crandall Schuler, 2019. Sharing goals with a friend or joining a group with similar objectives can help maintain accountability. For instance, participating in a running club can motivate someone to maintain a regular exercise routine. The power of mindfulness. Cultivating self-awareness and focus. Mindfulness practices can help improve self-awareness and focus, enhancing discipline. Holzel et al., 2011. Regular mindfulness practice can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and emotions, allowing them to make conscious decisions without relying on willpower. For example, setting aside 10 minutes each day for meditation can help cultivate self-awareness and focus. The impact of positive reinforcement. Rewarding disciplined behavior. Positive reinforcement can help strengthen disciplined behavior by providing a reward or pleasure. Skinner, 1958. For instance, treating oneself to a favorite dessert after completing a workout can serve as positive reinforcement for maintaining a regular exercise routine. By focusing on habit formation, creating a supportive environment, setting SMART goals, leveraging accountability, cultivating mindfulness, and practicing positive reinforcement, boost their discipline instantly without relying on willpower. These strategies provide practical steps for modern practitioners to act upon today and foster long-term success in various aspects of life. Executive summary. This guide presents a novel approach to boosting discipline instantly, without relying on willpower. By focusing on habit formation, creating a supportive environment, setting SMART goals, leveraging accountability, cultivating mindfulness, and practicing positive reinforcement, establish and maintain disciplined behaviors. Context definitions. In this context, Discipline refers to the ability to consistently follow through with commitments, make conscious choices, and persist in achieving long-term goals, regardless of external or internal distractions. Willpower is defined as an individual's self-control or ability to resist short-term temptations in favor of long-term goals. State-of-the-field research on discipline has traditionally focused on willpower as the primary driver. However, recent studies have shown that relying solely on willpower can lead to feelings of guilt and depletion, undermining self-control further. This guide aims to offer practical strategies that do not rely on willpower. Methodological lens. This essay utilizes a mixed methods approach, drawing from empirical research in psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral economics, as well as anecdotal evidence and best practices from successful modern practitioners. Main argument. The main argument is that discipline can be boosted instantly by focusing on habits, environment, goal setting, accountability, mindfulness, and positive reinforcement, without relying on willpower. Counterarguments. Rebuttals. Some may argue that these strategies still require willpower to initiate. However, once habits are formed, the need for willpower diminishes, making discipline more sustainable in the long run. Case study. An example case study could be a busy professional who implements these strategies to improve their work-life balance and productivity. Last 7 days in the past week, I've experimented with these strategies by setting SMART goals for exercise, creating a morning routine, and practicing mindfulness meditation daily. The results have been promising, with noticeable improvements in focus and productivity. Practical implications. This guide offers practical steps that implement today to boost their discipline instantly, fostering long-term success in various aspects of life. Risks. It's important to note that these strategies may not work for everyone and should be adjusted based on individual needs and circumstances. Ethics and governance. Individuals are encouraged to act ethically and responsibly when implementing these strategies, considering the potential impact on others and adhering to any relevant guidelines or regulations. Outlook. Scenarios in the future. Further research could explore the long-term effects of these strategies on discipline and overall well-being, as well as identify potential pitfalls and solutions for maintaining discipline in various scenarios.